The way all of these ducks just fled and surrounded me. Like, look at them. They literally all came and then look at them standing up here behind me. I got a little feather, iridescent one. I forget that I can come here and find feathers. Like, look at these beautiful. Look at how beautiful they are. Oh, it's so beautiful. All of y'all, so beautiful and majestic. I love you guys. Here's the water, mommy water. Look at them. Come here, my little chickadees. Like all these abundance of feathers. used to be water in here. It's dried up. Oh my gosh. Yeah, there's more decomposed bird feathers. Oh, so one died here and the other died over there. Oh. I swear that this this forest is trying to take my stuff. Try to take my shoe. My bow got caught on on one of the leaves because the tree was trying to snag it. I just got this yellow bow today too. I know it's pretty and shiny, y'all, but it's mine. I got it with my own well earned, spent money. But I love y'all though. I love y'all so much. I love being under the canopy of y'all's trees. I'm gonna go by the water again. Seems like it's dried out a little bit, low-key, because it ain't been no rain up in here in Houston. Like, this used to be filled with water. Like, this whole little pond where it's white and calcified, there used to be water. But now it's good because it wasn't even really that good water anyway. So I hope they restore it and put fresh, clean water in there. Look at that one little red tree over there. Hey, he just came up to me. Okay, you're getting a little too close now. I don't mind the ducks, but squirrels, I don't know if y'all bite. I love y'all though. But it's the water. See, I wish I could just walk across and just go be on the other side and just be isolated in there. Live there.